The 2027 Kia Telluride is finally here. Hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on all notifications. You don't want to miss what's coming next. Bigger, bolder, and smarter than ever before. This SUV is redefining luxury on wheels.
I think the girls with their nails done now. Girls with their nails done. I think the girls with their nails done.
The world premiere is happening November 20th.